Hello, good people, wherever you are. I want to go over something that I'm sure you all know about, but how to use Boolean. But my topic today is not how to use Boolean. It's what must be done to get it to work. You see right here, I have my two in 3D terminology called meshes. I don't know what they call it in CADD, but I'll call them meshes. I have my two meshes right here. I wanna I was doing this many times. I want to use Boolean on it. But I discovered something about Boolean that on all the videos I watched, they never told you about this special feature of Boolean. So, I'm going to make my first body right here, my active body. I'm just going to use a simple Boolean too. Then I'm going to explain you what's going on. Alright, so I chose that. I come up here and click my Boolean operation tool. Okay, it's gone like usual. Now here's my second object right here. So I'm going to add that to it. Click on it. Choose OK. But it's not working like I want it because the first object gone. But after some thinking, I discovered what in the world is going on that nobody ever told me about. Here's the secret of Boolean. This is what the video about. Here's the secret to Boolean. Like when in your math classes, you learn about the Boolean. The most important thing, the two objects they must touch for it to work. Nobody ever told me that. I know it mathematically. But you're not in the real world. We don't think about that. I think about I want to join those two together. I want to use Boolean. But I can't. They must touch. So, let's see what we can do. Let me go to top view. I could use sub, but I gotta go to top because you know we love doing that top view. I'm gonna click on body 2. I just want to say transform, and I just wanted to touch slightly. You don't have to touch a lot. Then we'll see if Boolean works. They touching. Let me rotate this some so we see they are touching now. They touching. Now this already, I believe it already is my active body, but I can go back and do it again. Now let's use Boolean. Oh, and before I go on, I want to show that these two distinct objects. Before I go on. See? Separate object. Let me click on the second one. Choose OK. Click on body 2. Transform. Separate object. Now if the Boolean works, they should become one object. So we got them slightly touching. As you can see right here, you don't have to make them touch a lot, but they better be coming into contact with each other. Now I'm gonna click back on body, my first body, toggle that. Now let's click on Boolean. So it disappear like usual. Add my second body, add, click, and it's back. I hit OK. Here's the proof. Let's see if there is one body. Okay, there's that box. They're in one box. Transform, toggle, and that's it. They're one Boolean. So that's what the video was about, people. Many times when I was experimenting with Boolean, I always had my objects non-touching. But in math, Boolean objects, for the most part, they're touching. Because if they're not touching, then they don't have no objects in common. They two just separate, or most of the time. They may have the same numbers in common. But Boolean, for the most part, involves when the objects are touching, and that's why it's working. I only used a simple Boolean. I just used a fuse. But you know, I could have used all the others. But we see it's working. Thank you for stopping by on this important note on how to use Boolean. Until the next